Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about electrical safety. Did you know, according to Electrical Contractor magazine, that there's an estimated 350 deaths per year related to electrical accidents? That being said, all electrical accidents are 100% preventable. Every single one of them is preventable. There are practices and procedures that are set into place for everyone to follow that will prevent any and all electrical accidents. Alright, what I mean by electrical safety is knowing these practices and these procedures. Knowing when to use them, knowing how to use them. Alright, the first thing I want to talk about today, which is one of the biggest causes of electrical deaths or injury, is arc flash. Arc flash is essentially an explosive release of electrical energy. This usually causes very serious burns, as well as can damage your eyes and electrocute you. Alright, so to avoid this, you always want to wear proper PPE or personal protective equipment. I have some examples here of some PPE that one would use when working around any electrical component or device or machine that could cause an arc flash. First here, I have some rubber insulated gloves. These gloves in particular are rated up to 1000 volts, so they will protect you when touching any electrical voltage up to 1000 volts. Also here, I have some leather gloves. And what these are for is to wear over top of the rubber insulated gloves to protect them from any kind of damage or punctures that could happen to your rubber gloves, causing you to be electrocuted. Now you always want to test your rubber gloves by filling them with air to see if there's any pinholes or anything like that could cause you to be injured. Okay, another form of PPE I have here is a fire retardant shirt. Okay, you will see here on the label it has FR. FR stands for fire retardant. Make sure you've seen that. Alright, and it has long sleeves, and this protects you from arc flash because there is essentially a fireball, and this will protect you from getting seriously burned. Alright, another form of PPE that is commonly worn is a tinted face shield, and this will protect your face and eyes from the flash and from any debris or fragments that could come off any kind of components when the explosion happens. Alright, there are certain methods also that you can use to prevent electrical accidents. The first and foremost is always use your voltage meter to verify the amount or if any voltage is present. Okay, and always test your meter on a low voltage circuit before you test it or use it on anything that has potential high voltage. That way you can trust it. Alright, in an industrial environment, if you're in any kind of bucket or panel, there's always going to be an arc flash label which will tell you the amount of PPE or category of fire retardant gear that you need to be wearing. Also, a good tip that I have learned is when entering a bucket or a panel, you always want to keep one hand behind your back. This is in case your other hand touches any kind of live wire or circuit. Your hand behind your back won't be on something metal and let the current flow through your body completely and will usually be fatal. Alright, I want to say that if you don't feel 100% confident or competent or safe when you're performing electrical work, don't do it. It is not worth the risk. Know your limitations and know your skill set and what you can do. If you have any doubt in your mind that you can do the work or that you are not safe, do not do the work. Call a professional. That is what they're here for. That is what they're paid for. Call a professional. Alright, to summarize everything, I want to say first and foremost, electrical safety is extremely important when you're dealing with any amounts of electricity, whether it's low voltage or high voltage. Always be safe. Always wear your proper personal protective equipment at all times. Never take chances. Never take anything for granted. Your family needs you. They need you to come home the same way you left. They rely on you. Never take chances. Never take anything for granted. Always be safe when you're working with electricity. Remember, your safety starts with you. Every day, every job, every task, your safety is in your hands. Don't let yourself down. Don't let your family down. Thank you.